Let me bring in Ravi Shankar Prasad back on this. Ravi Shankar Prasad, the fact is now that Atal Bihari Vajpayee has always claimed that he was distant to the Ram Janmabhoomi movement. Can he claim so after this report? The fact is on December 5th, the judge says he made the kind of communal speech, and that doesn't mean that he can be disassociated himself from the Ram Janmabhoomi movement. Vajpayee was an integral part in that sense of the BJP, and to that extent knew of the designs of the Sangh Parivar.
Well, Rajdeep, we have been named. Kindly give me the time to respond to all this, okay?
Yes.
Have a little patience. First of all, procedural part I have explained. I have gone through the report very briefly and also the ATR. If Mr. Vajpayee is responsible, if Mr. Advani is responsible, what has stopped the government of India to taking action against them in the ATR?
That's a good
against
point.
Mr. Joshi.
That's an excellent point.
No, please, just a minute,
Manish Tiwari, respond to that.
Please have patience.
No, let him quickly. You made a very valid point. Manish Tiwari, respond to that. If Mr. Vajpayee is named in the report, then why have you decided to absolve him? Obviously, the Congress also has a problem with the report.
Well, insofar as the action against Mr. Advani is concerned, that action was taken in 1992 itself when an FIR was registered against him and various other leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The fundamental point, Mr. Sardesai, here is that the former Prime Minister, for whom I have the greatest personal respect, was a part of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the Bharatiya Janata Party as an organization was in the forefront of the entire Ram Janmabhoomi movement. They created the circumstances, they brought the people, which eventually led to the demolition of the mosque. So therefore, a particular
why have
leader
you not acted?
who the BJP
Why has your
considers
action
iconic,
taken report said nothing about Atal Bihari Vajpayee or even for that matter LK Advani? Is the Congress also worried that had you named them in your action taken report, then you would in a sense be opening up another flank which you don't want to?
Well, insofar as Mr. Lalkrishna Advani is concerned, I have already explained the situation. And insofar as Mr. Vajpayee is concerned, the ATR has to be read in the context of concrete recommendations which were made by the Justice Liberahan Commission. My brief reading of the recommendations and the action which flows out of them suggests that there wasn't a concrete finding or a recommendation, no, not a finding but a recommendation made by the Justice Liberahan Commission.